So for aluminium, you are not required to have a corrosion prevention method because the aluminium oxide layer would already provide it from further oxidation. Okay, so that's why aluminium window frames does not suffer from the rusting, suffer from the corrosion. So for part 2, galvanized iron buckets. Okay, galvanized iron buckets, that means it is covered by zinc. Then since zinc is more reactive than iron, so that's why it is a sacrificial protection. For tin plating, it is not alloying or plating. That means we just put the metal on top of the iron, so that is just a surface protection. Okay, we just protect it from further contact with the oxygen and the water in the air. Okay, so that's why it is not a good match. Surface protection. So for question number 17, this is a question about experiment. We will first look at what happened here and then look at the question. So this setup is about cracking of alkanes. You should know that. Okay, then for tip B and tip C, blue limit solution, you are going to check whether this is an acid or alkali. Tip C, acidified potassium permanganate. We do not know the purpose yet. So number 1, a chemical reaction occurs at the glass wood. This is not correct because the heating source is in the middle of the test tube. So that's why the kerosene would first vaporize and arrive at the surface of and glaze porcelain in the middle of the test tube for the reaction to occur. So statement 1 is not correct. So number 2, there is no color change in the solution in tip B. So you know blue limit solution is to check whether a substance is acidic or not. For the products of cracking, we have alkanes and alkenes, which is both not acidic. So that's why 2 is a correct statement. So number 3, there is no color change in solution in tip C. Since alkenes will be produced, so that's why the acidified potassium permanganate will react with the alkenes. Actually, it reacts with the double bond of the alkenes, so that's why it changes color. So number 3 is not correct statement, so that's why the answer is B. So for question number 18, it is a question about hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. It produces non-polluting product. It is correct, okay, which is water, H2O. Then the membrane in it selectively allows hydroxide ion to pass through. This is incorrect. So it is put here because we have a membrane in the membrane cell of the electrolysis of sodium chloride, which really just allows the hydroxide ions to pass through. So here it is trying to confuse you, the cell of hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, and the electrolytic cell of sodium chloride. So statement 3, it can continuously produce electricity as long as hydrogen and oxygen are supplied under operating conditions. This is correct. So the answer is C.